Agent, can you hear me? Now, don't worry, the briefcase is safe. Do you remember what happened? Your memory might be a bit patchy from the attack. Well, take all the time you need. You're back at headquarters and you're perfectly safe. You'll find a tape on the desk in front of you. Load the tape into the projector console on your right. Now, I imagine you might recognize that bomb disposal device in front of you from your time as a cadet. In fact, given the wear and tear, it might be the same one. Well, I'm sure it still works. Now, let's see. How do I... yes, there it goes. Oh, just a bit further now. Right, disarm this bomb, if you would. Not to worry, it's probably not armed. Just set each of those... Wonderful! Yes! Next, the machine should dispense a grenade for you. There it is. Let's use it to test out that telekinetic implant of yours. Why don't you pick it up and bring it closer? Now, try using your telekinesis to hover the grenade nearby. You need to lift the grenade, and then focus your mind, and hover it in mid-air. Good, your telekinesis is still working. I hear that when those things malfunction, it's usually very messy. Now to dispose of that grenade. Use your telekinesis to place it inside the blast chamber. Shut the door, and then pick up that remote detonator, so you can explode the chamber's contents. Good. For your final test, you will need to dispose of 3 more explosives hidden around the examination room. Good luck. I've left you a list, so you know what you're looking for. I suggest you hover the clipboard nearby, so you can refer to it as you conduct your search. Search the exam room, Agent. Find and dispose of every explosive. Excellent. I'll make a special note regarding your technique. Search the exam room, Agent. Find and dispose of every explosive. Well done! Search the exam room, Agent. Find and dispose of every explosive. Search the exam room, Agent. Find and dispose of every explosive. Search the exam room, Agent. Find and dispose of every explosive.
Good work, Agent. You've passed all of the tests with flying colors. I've got just about everything I need. Don't worry, Agent. I've got everything under control.
spotlight, I can see you. Play your cards right, kill your stage fright, this could be you. If all the world's a stage, let's set it on fire. So you'll be the spy and I'll be the liar. From the background, you can hear me. Highest billing makes a killing, they revere me. That beautiful mask you wear is all I desire. So you'll be the spy and I'll be the liar. Face to face again. And through the camera lens we ascend. You're a minor part, I'm the major star. Ha! The credits are more than just the end. 'Cause the truth is, I despise you. I will tear apart all these works of art that disguise you. I'm making the final cut, it's down to the wire. So you'll be the spy and I'll be the liar. And I'll be the liar. And I'll be the liar. And I'll be the liar.
I know this van isn't as luxurious as your old office, but we can't let Zoraxis know you survived your last mission. You've got a knack for putting a wrench in Dr. Zor's plans, so Zoraxis employees may not react kindly if they recognize you. On the bright side, now you've got a mini-fridge. As usual, Zoraxis Corporation is up to something vile and nefarious, but we haven't been able to figure out what. The Prime Minister is certainly making himself a target. Keep an ear to the radio agent. You never know what they might let slip. Now, your briefing materials should be arriving any second. Where's that blasted courier? Aha! Speak of the devil. Take the cartridge from the tray on your right and load it gently into the cartridge viewer in front of you. Now, our intel indicates the Prime Minister is attending an event in Manhattan tonight. My instincts say Zoraxis will try something there, and my instincts are only wrong about half the time. Oh, and the event is hosted by Hollywood actor John Juniper. Oh, I'm such a fan. His performance in Marigolds Are Forever was so... Excuse me. Let's get you undercover so we can figure out what Zoraxis is up to. Marigolds are forever. My instincts were right. This place is crawling with Zoraxis operatives. Now, you're all set up backstage. Maintain your cover as a stagehand until you can find and disable the threat. I managed to snag a ticket to the show, so I'll keep an eye on the Prime Minister. You know, for a man who could launch 50 nukes with the push of a button, he's much more grandfatherly than I expected. Well, find out what Zoraxis is up to.
Attention, stage crew. Today's the big day. If anything goes wrong with my play, well, remember what happened to that sound designer.
Wait, what happened to Jerry? Is...
And I want an impeccable performance from all of... Be sure to follow the new instructions I left on your clipboard.
That voice sounds familiar. Stay on your guard, Agent.
No, that's not a good look for you, love. It's completely wrong for the shape of your face. Maybe if you... No, not the time. Back to work! We're almost ready to go. Keep an eye on your cue light. I'll turn it on when we're ready for curtain up. Don't raise that curtain before we're ready. I will resort to violence. Oh, you up there. Yes, you. You're a stagehand. Get the stage ready. Stage is set. Raise the curtain. Ready for Juniper's spotlight.
That's John Juniper, in the flesh. Oh, Agent, well, I'm sure you can handle things from here.
What on earth are you doing? You've ruined everything! Zaraxis team, the time for subtlety has passed. Deploy the gas.
My instincts were right. This place is crawling with Zaraxis operatives. Now, you're all set up backstage. Maintain your cover as a stagehand until you can find and disable the threat. I managed to snag a ticket to the show, so I'll keep an eye on the Prime Minister. You know, for a man who could launch 50 nukes with the push of a button, he's much more grandfatherly than I expected. Well, find out what Zaraxis is up to.
Attention, stage crew. Today's the big day. If anything goes wrong with my play, well, remember what happened to that sound designer.
Wait, what happened to Jerry?
Set the stage, everyone. I want an impeccable performance from all of you. Oh, you up there, up in the catwalk. Be sure to follow the new instructions I left on your clipboard.
That voice sounds familiar. Stay on your guard, Agent.
Oh, we're almost ready to go. Keep an eye on your cue light. I'll turn it. Stage is set. Raise the curtain. Ready for Juniper's spotlight.
Good evening, everyone. Now, I know what you're thinking. John, these tickets cost more than my yacht. This better be good. I also want to take the opportunity to make a special announcement. I've got something new in production. I can't say too much yet, but I can safely say that you've never seen anything like it.